Okay, so as you can see, these are pretty much done. So I start taking them off and wrapping the bacon on them. And it's definitely hot. Ooh, gotta be careful. Take all this off. And we'll start assembling. Now, definitely want to get these off. Cool thing about cooking them all together is like these absorb bacon grease pretty good, so it adds like a flavor to it. Alright, so you get everything together. If we need another plate, that's okay too. Need another plate, that's fine. We'll definitely have fun. We'll have some fun with these. These are pretty good. So you take this, and we're gonna like assemble it. Get like a piece of bacon that kind of wraps. And it is hot. Like it is hot to the touch. So if you're more patient, you can wait for it to cool down. You just kind of take them. These are good for wrapping in bacon though, because like with egg rolls, the casing is like so absorbent. If you think it's a little bit too pink, you can put it back on, because it can still cook a little bit more. Right? So if you think one of them is, or maybe two of them are too pink, you can do that. If you've got extra bacon, that's actually not a problem. Trust me, that's a good thing. Look at that, bacon wishbone. Make a wish. Mm. Put this one on for a bit longer. Oh, trust me, these taste so good. Yeah, they're doing. Let's see. Oh yeah, that one's okay now. Okay. Now, you can have fun with these because you can put whatever you want on them. They come with like plum sauce in the packaging. If you get egg rolls, they come with plum sauce, so you can put plum sauce on them. Or you can do what I'm thinking of doing, which you probably know is going to mean we're going to do spicy ones. But it sort of depends on what you're in the mood for in terms of flavor, right? You could have fun with them either way, but we'll do plum sauce just because it's like recommended in the packaging or whatever. And what you could do is you could use the plum sauce as like a dipping sauce. You could dip them in that. And then your main thing that you put on them would be like your spicy hot sauce. That's kind of cool to do. Right, so that's kind of a good option. And got the other one going too. Oh, trust me, it's gonna be so good. So I always test make stuff spicy. Seems like, eh? Yeah, you just squeeze it out. If you make a mess, it's okay. And then you do that, and then you have a mess on your hands. It's okay. It's okay. It's what paper towels for, you know? And then, once you do that, now you get to put the fun spicy stuff on. Yeah. But, so the lid is off. Just do that. Yeah. And if you're feeling really brave, you can take this and you can put this on. Ooh, that'll give you a kick. Look at that. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Okay. Put a little bit on though. Oh, I might have put too much. Just a bit. Oops, that one's a little bit too much. And if you do that, you got spicy bacon wrapped egg rolls.